Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear viewers, welcome to Numero. इस वीडियो में हम आपको एच से स्टार्ट होने वाले लड़कों के नाम बताएंगे, तो वीडियो को आने तक क्लास में देखिएगा. सो द फर्स्ट नेम इज हादी. द मीनिंग ऑफ हादी इज वन हु गाइड्स. द स्पेलिंग ऑफ हादी इज HAADI. द नेक्स्ट नेम इज हामिद. The meaning of Hamid is praising God or loving God. Next one is Haris. Very beautiful name. Meaning है plowman and old Arabic name. Next one is Harun. The meaning of Harun is warrior or lion. Next name is Harshid. The meaning of Harshid is one who gathers the people together. Next one is Hashim. The meaning of Hashim is smasher and generosity. Next name is Hashid. The meaning of Hashir is an assembler. Next one is Hatim. The meaning of Hatim is judge. Next name is Hazim. The meaning of Hazim is precautious. The name is Habab. The meaning of Habab is gentle and polite. Next one is Habib. The meaning of Habib is friend. Next one is Habibullah. The meaning of Habibullah is dear to God. Next name is Habib. The meaning of Habib is beloved. The name is Haddad. The meaning of Haddad is blacksmith. Next one is Hadir. The meaning of Hadir is the sound of thunder. Name is Hafiz. The meaning of Hafiz is protector. Next name is Hafi. The meaning of Hafi is generous. Next name is Hafiz. The meaning of Hafiz is the guardian and protector. Next name is Heather. The meaning of Heather is line. Next name is Hajjaj. The meaning of Hajjaj is one who prevails in the argument. The name is Hakim. The meaning of Hakim is wise and a sage. Next name is Hakim. The meaning of Hakim is ruler and governor. The name is Hanif. The meaning of Hanif is comrade and friend. The next name is Halim. The meaning of Halim is calm. Next name is Hamd. The meaning of Hamd is praise. The next name is Hamdi. The meaning of Hamdi is praise. Next one is Hamid. The meaning of Hamid is praiseworthy. The name is Samim. The meaning of Samim is friend and hot water. Next name is Hamad. The meaning of Hamad is a person who praises Allah. Next name is Hammam. The meaning of Hammam is a chief and a hero. Next one is Hamshad. The meaning of Hamshad is always victorious. The name is Hamza. The meaning of Hamza is to be strong and lying. Next name is Humble. The meaning of humble is purity. The next name is Hanif. The meaning of Hanif is upright and true. The name is Hanif. The meaning of Hanif is the believer of Islam. Next name is Hanifa. The meaning of Hanifa is upright. The next name is Hanan. The meaning of Hanan is Allah's attribute. The name is Haq. The meaning of Haq is the truth. Next name is Hassan. The meaning of Hassan is handsome. Next one is Hashid. The meaning of Hashid is crowded. Next name is Hashim. The meaning of Hashim is generous. Thanks for watching this video. अपने नाम की वीडियो बनवाने या अपनी न्यूमरोलॉजी रिपोर्ट के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपना मुकम्मल नाम और डेट ऑफ बर्थ कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखें. थैंक यू.